Hey everybody, it's Gayla Smith with the Midwest BBQ for the Brave, and putting together a quick video to keep everybody up to date on what's happening with the 2020 Midwest BBQ. I have good news and I have bad news. The bad news is that we have to cancel the 2020 event. Too many restrictions in the state of Illinois. The game changer for us was the fact that we had to cancel it if it rained, and we've never done that in the past, and there's just no way we can refund all the ticket holders' money, so we decided to just cancel it for this year and pick up where we left off. However, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. And so I'm going to fill you in on a little project that we started a few years ago, and we were going to use some of the proceeds from the barbecue this year to supplement the remaining dollar amount that we needed to finish this special project for a special young veteran. And we are not going to have the barbecue this year, so we're kind of scrambling to figure out how we're going to do this. So in 2018, a young man attended the event. His name is Bo Jones. He's a double amputee. He lost both of his legs in Afghanistan in 2012. And he's had about 130 surgeries, and he has a perfectly healthy right arm and a semi-functional left arm. But he picked up a hobby of building custom wheelchairs, and I sent a video out earlier with a little bit of information about that. And we had promised to build a workshop for Bo when his home was built, and it's being built this summer. And we don't have enough to build his workshop at this point. So I called all of the sponsors who had sent in their checks for the 2020 barbecue and asked them if they'd be willing to divert the funds to Bo's special account, and they all said yes. So we're closer to where we need to be, but we still need to raise about another $15,000 to help build this workshop for this exceptionally wonderful young man who is just such a hero and has sacrificed so much for this country, and allow him to continue the hobby that he loves. I want to thank some of the sponsors who have sent their checks in to help with Bo's project. A lot of them are asphalt companies here in the Chicagoland area. So a huge thank you goes out to Art Baker at Peter Baker and Sons, Austin Tyler, Builders Asphalt, Gallagher Asphalt. Charlie's always a big supporter. Thanks so much. P.T. Farrell gave us a nice $5,000 check. So thank you so much, Matt Marchetti. That is awesome. We are in their budget every year. We're their biggest charity event they do, and they love the work that we do. So thank you so much, P.T. Farrow. Cooper Oil, thanks Kelly. JK Computer Consultants, Platinum Pest Control out of Lansing, always a supporter. Don Schwartz, thank you so much. Always, every year, Don comes in and helps us out. Troop Contracting out of Willowbrook. Brian's Hatlin's always a great supporter and also a veteran, and thank you so much, Brian, for your support and your service. Spirit of America, John Sobieski, he's in early every single year. Thanks, John. Who am I missing here? Pallet Max, they're always the first ones in with their check. So thank you so much. All of them have asked me to use their sponsorship money to help with Bo's workshop, but we still need more money. So I'm asking all of you to help us out. You can go to our website, midwestbbq.org, and go to the donate page. You can send an email to me or a message in Facebook with your email address, and I will send all the information to you about Bo, what we're doing. You can forward that email to your employer, to your customers, to your neighbors. Help us raise the money for this young man and make sure this workshop is built for him so that he can continue his hobby of helping others. So that's it, and I'll be sending updates, so thanks so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.